The first showing is at 3 o'clock. But I need to stop by the dollar store to get get a few things. And then I am going to go get me a Starbucks. I have not been out the house in a little while because I had, you guys know what I had. Everyone's catching it these days. I'm not going to even say it, but I had, I believe it was, they're calling it the Omarion, the Omicron, the Omicron or Omicron. Anyway, I had the big C. Okay, so and I am not gonna tell you guys whether I'm vaccinated or not. I am not, I am. So yeah, I am. Oh Lord, it's snowing here. Come on, clear my windshield, clear my windshield, clear my windshield. Okay. Anyway, it's snowing here. But anyway, yeah, but yeah. I was down and out for a few days. So I am kind of happy to be out. I got, like I said, a few things to do. I'm not going to overdo it because it seems like when I start doing too much, I get to feeling a little tired. But this girl is only off today, so, and she really needs to see. She really needs to see some homes today. I have had people ask me a question. Can you make money doing rentals as a real estate agent? I don't think that you can make a lot of money doing rentals unless you're into property management. And so I'm almost positive in order to be like a property manager in the state of Alabama, you have to have your broker's license, which I could go get my broker's license now. But I mean, right now it's just not a big deal. So a lot of the people that I show rentals to are friends or friends of a friend, or, you know, basically somebody that I know. I could go to Kroger's and get my Starbucks, but I'm not. I prefer to go through a drive-through. Anyways, so you would have to make a lot of money doing rentals without doing like property management. You would have to be renting out a lot of houses. Now, and it, you know, also depends on how much the listing agent is paying you, and you might get $200 off of a rental. You might get $300. A lot of times it's $100, $150, $200. It's not a lot. And then you have to see if your broker is going to take money off of that $200. You know, so it depends on what your split is. My first broker did take a percentage off of rentals for about 2 years of me, a year of me being with her. And then she stopped. She didn't take, she stopped taking probably about 30%. And then after a year, she just started taking 10%. But this new broker I'm with, he's just like, it's not even enough money pretty much in rentals. So he doesn't take any money from rentals at all. I'm gonna put my mask on. Uh-oh. Where's my mask? There we go. I don't know why I got this purse. Lord have mercy. I'll be so happy when this COVID stuff is over. People need to take it more serious, but it caught me relaxing. It caught me slacking, but it won't again. No. So yeah, my new broker does not take any percentage, because with rentals you don't get, you know, a lot. Now I do have to say, working as a relocation specialist, it just depends on what you agree to is in your contract. And I don't mean in your contract with your broker, but in your contract with the relocation company, because doing that, I actually made really good money placing my clients in rentals as a relocation specialist. So that was different, because I got double the money. I got money from the relocation company, I got money from the listing agent or property manager that listed the house. So that's a little different, but the key is to sell homes. Happy New Year! I forgot to tell you guys, Happy New Year. So I'm really excited about 2022. I got some other things that I'm working on, and also pushing forward in real estate. And so, honey, this year is going to be all about branding. Yes, it's going to be all about branding. I need some Starbucks now. I have a taste for a Frappuccino, which is very fattening. I did lose about 4 pounds when I was down and out, so that makes me super excited, although it was because I had the big C, but I lost 4 pounds. So hey, so yeah, I'm gonna head to Starbucks and then head to go show my client these 2 homes. Then I am going back inside of the house to relax and watch TV or Netflix or whatever. But yeah, I'm going back to relax. I don't go back to my full-time job until I believe Thursday, because she wants me to be out 10 whole days. So okay, the line in Starbucks is way too long, so I am going to go in. Facial cover. Oh my God. Because I'm not getting in that long ass line. Excuse my language. I hope they're gonna let me in. The lobby is closed currently. We are happy to take your order through the drive-thru. I gotta get back in line. Back in line. Oh. Okay, this is ridiculous. The other one's lobby is not open, probably due to COVID or not having enough people working there, which is also due to COVID. Then I come to the Kroger. Kroger has a sign up stating that their espresso machine doesn't work, so they can't make any hot coffees, any iced coffees, any lattes, any iced tea. You just need to close down, because you can't make shit. You can't make anything. Why are you even open? Now I'm irritated. And I look at me. I need some coffee from Starbucks.
With more education are better able to withstand the pathological brain changes that market.
We're going to try Target.
People with more education also may be less likely to smoke, more likely to exercise, and have a healthy diet.
What I'm doing, since I am just getting over COVID, is I'm opening up the door for my client. I have on a mask. They're standing in the car while I open the door, and then I'm going back to the car and they can go look at the inside of the house. Then they come out. I go in once they come out and I lock up. And so, sorry I didn't show you guys what I was doing, what I did to the other house. They don't really like the area, so I am showing them another location. say who's drunk. So now I'm just waiting. God, I'm a mess. So now I'm just waiting, you guys.